Apple Incorporated has become one of the world's top corporations, generating billions of dollars annually. Their achievements cover so many areas that it would take days to spotlight. Apple's rise to power has been an up and down battle of mega proportions. They've had to go against fierce competitors, government regulations, and much more. However, when all is said and done, Apple is still a leader in innovation and originality. My name is Om and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for latest tech updates and videos like this. So let's have a look at 20 iFacts about Apple. 20. Samsung made about 30% of the Apple A8 chips that went into the Apple iPhone 6. So if you find your iPhone 6 being slow, its chip was probably made by Samsung. 19. If Apple were a country, it would be the world's 27th largest country, ranked between Venezuela and Belgium. 18. Currently, Apple has around 245 billion US dollars in cash, which could give everyone in the United States 742 US dollars. 17. An iPhone contains about 0.0012 ounces of gold, 0.012 ounces of silver, and 0.00012 ounces of platinum, worth $1.52, 0.24, 0.017 respectively. 16. You have a better chance of getting accepted to the Harvard University than getting a job at the Apple Store. 15. When Apple began designating employee numbers, Steve Jobs was offended that Wozniak received 1, while he got 2. He believed he should be second to no one, so he took number 0 instead. 14. A rare Apple I computer built in Steve Jobs' garage in the summer of 1976 was sold at an auction in 2014 for $905,000 US dollars, about the total of a monthly salary of 87 Apple employees. That's expensive. 13. If you would have bought an iPhone in 1991 part by part, it would have cost you US dollars 3.56 million. 12. Every Apple iPhone ad displays the time as 9:41 AM. This is the time that Steve Jobs unveiled the first iPhone in 2007. 11. Apple earns 300,000 US dollars per minute, or 5,000 US dollars per second. 10. Apple sold 572,000 iPhones per day in 2018.
Impressive.
9. Apple has around $150 billion in excess capital. It could buy companies like Netflix, Twitter, Tesla, and Facebook. 8. Apple is so successful that in the first quarter of 2014, it made more money than Amazon, Google, and Facebook combined. 7. Apple has a no-smoking ban regarding their computers. As ridiculous as it sounds, but if you smoke while using an Apple computer, you void the warranty. You've been warned. 6. Apple is so successful, it has twice the amount of money than the United States Treasury. 5. Apple's first company logo featured a drawing of the father of physics, Sir Isaac Newton, reading a book under an apple tree. 4. The iPhone XR was the most sold smartphone in 2019 worldwide, and the newly launched non-Pro iPhone 11 was the 5th most sold smartphone in 2019. 3. Apple sells 849,450 iPhones a day, or 32,393 every hour, or 590 every minute, or about 10 iPhones every second. 2. Employees at the Apple headquarters earn an average of $125,000 a year. 1. Steve Jobs used to withdraw just $1 as his annual salary from Apple's account as CEO. If you like this video, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe and press that bell icon for the latest updates, and share this video to your tech-savvy friends and family as it motivates me to make better content. Thank you for watching.